So this is a really great exercise to help with plantar fasciitis, heel pain, or any ankle sprain that has caused some discomfort and not being able to get back into your sport right away. It's called a slow walk for a reason, but I'm gonna start on this side of the mat so you can kind of see what I'm doing. So this exercise is really meant to help reactivate the intrinsic foot muscles and your gait correctly. So you're gonna start with your feet close together but not touching. Okay, so they're pretty getting to the point right here where they're not touching exactly. They're probably like half an inch apart. So I'm gonna start with my right foot forward. What I'm gonna do is bring all my weight to my left foot. So again, this is all happening internally, so it's kind of hard to see here. But you want to bring all your weight to your left side. You're going to lift your right foot up about an inch. So you're not going to lift all the way like this in regular gait, but just an inch. And kind of slowly inch it forward, not too far. And as you're doing this, you should feel your left foot really working. So I can feel it for me, the little small muscles. So when you first do this, you have to be careful because you might wobble a lot. So make sure it's stable. And then I'm putting my whole right foot down. So I'm not doing any heel toe stuff. It's just the entire foot goes down. And you kind of see the distance not that far. It's like a foot distance. Then from here, I'm gonna shift my weight to the front, to the right foot. But my left foot, I'm not lifting the heel at all. It's still on the ground. So shifting, feeling all the way in the front, just enough so that when I do shift everything to the front, the left foot lifts up, right? The entire foot. And again, only an inch off the ground, so really low. And again, you should really feel your right foot working. So for me, I'm feeling all the little muscles trying to stabilize. So again, this is like retraining your gait and putting the left foot down. So technically, as I'm doing this, you can kind of count like 10 seconds, shifting the weight to the front, right? I mean, you call it slow walk for a reason, so it's not gonna be fast, but you'll really kind of start breaking a sweat because you're trying to stabilize all your foot muscles. Then lifting the back foot. So as I'm doing this too, I'm just trying to keep my hips stable as I'm bringing my right foot through. Nice and slow, and I can feel my whole foot working. And then placing the entire foot down. So again, shifting, really slow. I think this is called like mud stepping in some martial arts. So it's really working the stabilizing muscles in your foot and your ankle and your knee. See, I felt that in my knee a little bit, so. And then your hip too. So it forces your hip to work. Here. And kind of feel a little bit where I'm not as stable. So this is always good to work on. So again, shifting everything to the front. Well, the one thing I forgot to mention is that you're gonna lift your big toe up too. Lift the whole foot up. That was a little bit fast, but I was just trying to show that here. So again, shifting forward till all the weight's here. Then lifting the big toe up in the back foot. Lift the entire foot up. Swing through slowly. So you can count like 10 to 20 seconds of you doing this, and you should really feel your foot. If it's weak, you'll definitely kind of wobble a lot first, so you just got to be careful. So again, if you can do that, a couple of times, like 6 steps on each side, it's super useful for any kind of foot pain, ankle sprain, or knee pain too.